Today we're talking about the best blogging platform to make you money, and we're starting right now. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Most blogging platforms on the internet require you to sometimes pay hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars before they even let you see what you're going to get on the inside. And really the only way to combat this is to refuse to spend a single dollar before you can actually see what you're going to buy. However, how can we do this when most every blogging platform on the internet requires you to at least put in your credit card number or something just to see what's going on? Easy. The answer is the Wealthy Affiliate. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the computer. I'm going to show you some of the benefits that you get by joining the Wealthy Affiliate for free. Not even a credit card is required. All right, before we get started, if you would like to follow along and get your free account over at the Wealthy Affiliate, please be sure to sign up over at benjisdad.com/free. That's benjisdad.com/free. It is an affiliate link, and if you were able to use it, it would really help the channel out a lot at no extra cost to you. Plus, as an added bonus, if you were able to use that link, you would get me as your free coach and mentor. So be sure to check it out over at benjisdad.com/free. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description. So here we are over at the front page of the Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is definitely a lot more than just a simple blogging platform. There is so much more that is involved with what you can learn over at the Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see here on the front page, a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. So what it's going to teach you is how you can basically build a website, learn how to drive people to that website, and then actually earn money from the people coming to your site. A lot of other platforms out there aren't going to show you anything like that. They really just give you the tools that you need to build the site, and that's it. But if you really want to make money with blogging, the best way to monetize your blog is through affiliate marketing, and that's exactly what Wealthy Affiliate is going to show you how to do. So let's go ahead and go down here. It says transform your ideas into profits. Start a business from over 1 million lucrative niches. And this is 100% accurate. You can really make a website about anything that's on the internet and find a way to monetize it. And that's exactly what you're going to learn when you start over at the Wealthy Affiliate. So if you're interested in technology or fitness or relationships, maybe you give good relationship advice, or even something as simple as TVs and computers or jewelry, whatever it is that you're interested in, you can build a website around it and find a way to make money from the traffic or from the people that you can get to visit your site based on what's taught over here at the Wealthy Affiliate. And the best part about it, you're able to build beautiful profit-ready websites. And look at this right here. No design skills needed. A lot of people have the hold up about, I don't know how to design a website, or I don't know how to do this or do that. But really, it's step by step what's available on this blogging platform, the Wealthy Affiliate, that will show you exactly what you need to do to build an attractive website, to build a website that makes you money. Now, no doubt you wouldn't want to join a site like this unless you had some sort of reason to do so. And I wanted to show you this right here. Over 50,000 independent authority bloggers rank Wealthy Affiliate as the go-to platform for internet entrepreneurs. So no doubt so many people have used the service, so many people have had very good success with it, that it's being recommended by over 50,000 independent authority bloggers. So that's definitely something that you would want to take advantage of. So as you can see right here, a few stats about the Wealthy Affiliate. They've been in business now for over 12 years. They are in nearly 200 countries around the world, obviously. 1.4 million members. 10,000 businesses built monthly. So new businesses are starting every day. And 1,800 expert coaches available, and 23,000 people are helped daily. And as you can tell, because it's 193 different countries, that's a global scale, and there's experts in all parts of the world. So it can be 2 a.m. in the morning, and if you have a question about how to blog something or about something on your website that you want to get just perfect, just simply post a question in the live chat or on your page or something like that, and somebody will be able to answer your question literally within minutes, but sometimes give it an hour or so, and someone will be able to answer a question for you. So as more proof, when it comes to the people, the actual people who use this website, here's a couple of examples or real feedback that you get. Here is Eric Cantu. He's a current premium member there at the Wealthy Affiliate. And it says, with all the tools and trainings here at the Wealthy Affiliate, the support, the mentorship, the live classes, the course lineup, the live chat, the accessibility to incredible mentors, I can say with absolute certainty that this is the best training and mentorship platform for building successful business online, hands down. So no doubt Eric here has gotten quite a bit of success, and he attributes it to what he was able to learn through the best blogging platform available, the Wealthy Affiliate. So now we have the example of Lynn here, and she says that finding and joining Wealthy Affiliate was a complete game changer for me. If you want to build a real online business, then it will take some time and hard work, but it will be profitable and sustainable long term. If this is your goal, look no further. WA, or Wealthy Affiliate, has everything that you will ever need to succeed online. So definitely another feather in the cap for the best blogging platform, the Wealthy Affiliate. And there's a few more that we can read, but I'm not really going to waste your time. You can actually visit benjisdad.com/free and just scroll down a little bit, and you'll be able to see some more testimonials from people who are currently using it and the success that they have had with it. So again, it's zero risk to you at all. It's 100% free. All you need is an email address and a username to get started, and you will be able to get a preview of what it looks like on the inside. So now let's jump back up to the full screen. Question of the day: what experience have you had with the Wealthy Affiliate? You no doubt have read a ton of reviews online, and if you're watching this video, you no doubt are probably on the fence as to whether or not you want to join to get your free membership. If this is the case, be sure to ask me any questions that you might have. Place them down in the comments. I am sure to respond to every single one of them because I love engaging with you all regarding money making tips that we drop on the channel. So be sure to leave me a comment or question below, and I'll answer it as soon as I possibly can. If you like this video, please be sure to smash that like button. If you think it sucked, you know what to do. Also, please share this video with your friends and family so that others can make money online just like you. Likes and shares really help the channel out a lot, so it would be greatly appreciated if you were able to do such. It only takes a few seconds. So if you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there, and I will see you all later.